Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes and today I wanted to make a short video just to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and thank you all for the support of my channel. I hope Santa Claus brought you everything you wanted, including any parts you were after for your builds. I actually got something from Kat for my Mark 1, which I'll show you later on in the video. Kat's not here at the moment, she's gone to church with her family because she follows the Catholic religion, whereas I follow the Ford religion. So you could say we're quite a diverse couple. Once she gets back from the church, we're going to be going round to her parents for Christmas dinner, and we're going to see my parents tomorrow on Boxing Day. Now, although my channel is very small, it does seem to be growing, and we still seem to be picking up a few subscribers on most days. The great thing about having such a small channel though, is that I get to reply to every comment on the videos, and I'm able to reply to every message I receive through social media. So massive thanks to those who have reached out to me, especially those who have shared their cars on my Facebook page. I'm really enjoying engaging with you guys about your projects, and loads of you have given me advice about my projects as well. So if we can keep helping each other out, then the channel is definitely worth carrying on with. This year I have noticed that we've picked up a few trolls, which doesn't upset me. I've got quite a thick skin and I actually find it quite entertaining engaging with them as well. Although recently I have decided to just ignore all the haters because the time that I spend with them could be better spent with speaking to guys that actually like the channel or those who give me constructive criticism about what I'm doing, which I also appreciate. To me, trolls are just a sign that I'm doing something right, because in this world you can't make a success of anything without getting a few haters along the way. Now, I'm sure you're too busy enjoying your Christmas today to listen to me waffling on for much longer, but before I go, I'll quickly show you what Kat bought me for Esther, my ST170 powered Mark 1. Right, so as you can see, here we have a set of car mats for the Mark 1, which are apparently custom made, so they should be cut to fit a Mark 1 floor pan. Hopefully, they'll go around the larger tunnel that I've got fitted to her. We'll have to wait and see. And the really cool thing about these is that Kat has had my name embroidered on them, and obviously the trim around the edge and here matches with the fluffy dice that I've got in the car, and hopefully it'll be quite a close match to the blue Sparko seats that I've got fitted. So yeah, really happy with them. They've got this thing here which attaches the driver's mat so that it doesn't move. I think I'm going to cut off that bit and just glue that to the floor. It's hard to show you with one hand, but basically once that's attached to the floor, you just push the mat on and twist it, and then that will stop it moving. Now they do have like a grippy material on the back of these, so I am going to try and make sure that I've got all of the mats stuck to the floor, because obviously it's a painted floor and I don't really want to unnecessarily scratch the floor up, but it should be alright. Yeah, I'm really happy with them. So massive thanks to Kat for them. I'm not sure what company Kat got these mats from, but eventually I'll trial fit these in the Mark 1 to make sure they are a decent custom fit, and then whatever video that's shown in, I'll put a link to the company she got these from in the description of that video. I mentioned in my last video that I'm going to be doing a Q&A video soon. I was thinking about doing it today, but I think it's going to be a bit rude to Kat's family for me to just nip off with my MacBook to do a video, and I'm sure that most people will be too busy enjoying Christmas with their families to tune into YouTube anyway. But rest assured, I'll definitely do that Q&A video over the next few days or so. And I'll leave a link to the Facebook page in the description of this video where you can post your questions to be included in that video. There's also a post on the community section of YouTube where I ask for people's questions. So if you're not on social media and you want to get involved in the Q&A video, then just go and find that post and comment on there. If you don't actually have a question for me and you just want to shout out on that video, just comment on one of those posts and I'll definitely read your name out. I don't want to put a downer on this video, seeing as it's Christmas Day, but yesterday I had a bit of bad luck with MAUDE, my MAUDE Mark II Escort. She broke down again. The ring gear has obviously worn out further, so even though I managed to get the starter motor engaging with the flywheel, now it's not working at all. I wasn't even able to sort of push it past the point where the worn teeth are, as like some people suggested. It was just spinning really slow where it wasn't catching on every tooth, and then eventually it just wouldn't catch at all. So I'm being forced now, probably this weekend, to take the car apart, refit the standard 1800 Zetec flywheel, just so that I can get the car through until I plan to change the engine, flywheel, clutch, etc, etc, etc. So I'm not looking forward to being out in the cold and doing that job, seeing as I'm going to be taking the car apart again in maybe 1 or 2 months, but it's got to be done just so that I can drive the car every day. And it's just part of daily in a classic, I suppose. So that'll be another video coming up soon, although I won't be filming the whole process. I think you guys have already seen me take the gearbox off the back of the engine about 3 times this year, but I'll let you know how I get on with it anyway. Right, so that's all I've got for you today. Merry Christmas again to everyone. Thank you so much for the support of my channel. Long may it continue. I hope you enjoy your Christmases, and I'll see you next time. If this is the first time you've come across my channel, feel free to subscribe to keep up to date with everything I get up to with my old banger Ford Escorts, and check the description for all the links to my social media and my email address if you need to get in touch with me. Once again, Merry Christmas to everyone, and I'll see you soon.